Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a weed whacker 3-in-1 tool. Let's open this thing up and see what's inside if I can't figure out how to open it. I don't know, maybe up like this. This guy, rip it open. Some of these things just don't come easy. Oh, here. This. Penny, stop. Okay, so this is it here. Let me aim you down a little bit so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Here we go. So here is the weed whacker. So we get a toweling today. We have the whacker here. Here. So this is the weed whacker item, and it's got this button here so we can extend it and make it a nice tall one or a short one. We have in the bottom, we have the handle for it, we have some string, and we have some metal thing. I'm not sure what that's for. Maybe it'll hold it too. So let's put this together here and let's see how this is going to work. Okay, I'm going to say this. Here's the picture. Let's see how the people would hold it. Here's the picture here, what it's going to look like. There. So it's going to curve. If you're holding it this way, it's going to curve this way. Pretty cool. Is it screwing in? Nope. Screwing it down, maybe? Okay, there we go. So now you can set it at the proper size here. I have a dog. Yeah, crazy. And then I guess this is going to be on there for certain items too. Got some string in there right now. Some string out there. How's this going to go? It's going to be, if you're doing it this way, it's going to be out like that. Sorry, my dog. It's just under me here. So I need to figure out how this is going to connect onto it. I think I probably have to take off that screw. Let's take this off. Figure this out here correctly. What's this? I can put an extra spool on here. There we go. Extra spool. Okay, let's see how we connect that other piece on. Do it correctly. Penny, stop. And this is by HEINPRO. Penny, stop. Let's see if we can figure this out here. We have a button here to rotate this, and then here is the screw that I guess I need to take out. There's one, and the other. I was trying to put it on with the screw on there, and that's why it wasn't working. Okay, screws are off. Now let's try this thing again. Pull the string through and rotate this around to wherever it clicks. Right. Let's see. there. Okay, so now we should be in the right place. And I can put the screws back in. I have the tiniest little screwdriver here. You can see, but it works. Just doesn't get a whole lot of leverage. There we go. Yeah. And I think we are practically fully assembled at this point, so we should be good. I definitely need a better screwdriver. This little key looking one is just not tight. But you get the idea, it's gonna be like that. So here we go, like that. And then we have the one here with the string on it here, and it's gonna have the cutter right over there. The cutter blade has a piece of tape on it that I'll need to remove, but then we should be good to go. And then we just need the battery on there, so we'll show you guys it in action here in a minute. Okay, so I got it going here. It's the regular Dewalt battery. I have a 5 amp hour one here. We can adjust the length of it by unscrewing that and tightening it and lowering it and whatever. So we have that ability. We have the weed whacking ability there. We have the trimming ability if we want to go on the side. And we can kind of adjust things like this, so rotate the head however we want it or whatever angle. So if I was trying to do, I guess, something, the edging, I could kind of roll it on the side of it. But I'm not sure exactly. Oh, you can't even see. Let me aim you guys towards me. I'll show you guys it in action. So this is it here. So here we go. You can see the street here. I want to aim it down a little so I can get a better angle. There. Here we go. I would say that's a really nice weed whacker. So there we go. Super cool. By HEINPRO. And it comes with a little extra spool of the weed whacking stuff there. The string goes and cuts itself as it gets bigger and stuff. So you got everything you need. How cool. I really like it. And the little wheel here, the adjustment. It's got everything you need. Thumbs up.